Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is another account of one of my students that got my video course. And remember, people are really earning, they started earning because it's not, if you don't learn, you cannot earn. So you have to learn to earn. So to earn today, learn the method which I'm teaching my students which I'm teaching my students, which they have been using to earn great sales on their Clickbank Affilliate marketing and on any affiliate marketing that you may be doing. So the secret is just that I have a software I develop. I'm a software developer. I develop the software which I've been using for months now, for like more than a year now, and I've been using it to earn great from this affiliate marketing. My software is easy to use. You don't have to have any previous knowledge about affiliate marketing or about the software. You can use the software because the guidance on how you will use the software to get sales, everything is in my video course. Just take you step by step, and if you have question, I'm always available for my students. If I message me, ask me a question, I will answer you. I can monitor your account for you also to the people that the Clickbank has banned them from opening accounts. Yes, because there is a decision to the opening of Clickbank account in some countries, but I will teach you, I will help you open accounts personally by myself. I will open an account for you if you are getting my software and my video course. Remember to get your video course and my software and your software, text me on my Gmail at skywet27@gmail.com, or also text me on my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel once again. Good day.